Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This morning, I wanted to show you what I wear, how I get ready for my walks in the wintertime. First thing in the morning, it's like almost 7 o'clock. So the first thing I do, I usually have like 3 to 4 layers on. I take this layer off. This is like a fleece zip up, and it's really good for the winter time. It's nice and warm. So the first thing I do is get my snowsuit. It's a snowsuit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's my snowsuit. I usually put it on. When I first started walking, and my legs were freezing cold. So I bought the snowsuit, and it was a great investment. And then I have these snow boots I put on. And I had on last year I had on different snow boots, but oh my word, I had those for like 5 or 6 years, and they got all worn out. And my snowsuit on. Make sure you tuck everything in. This is a size small, and because I'm only 5 feet tall, I have to roll the bottoms of the snowsuit. So I get my snowsuit on. See, winter jacket that you always see me wear. Everything's going to be linked down below. The places that I don't know where I got my boots though. I can't remember where I got my boots. I'll have to check my Amazon. Anyway, this hat was a Christmas gift from my mother. I don't know where she got it. Probably she got it in Walmart, because she used to work there. This is what I look like. So if you like my video and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you when... Good morning, everyone. I am back with another video, and this morning my intro was what I put on in the morning, my winter snow fit for when I go out walking in the winter. You could tell I got it all on. And this morning is Thursday, and it is really warm out. It's like 30 something degrees out. It's really warm out. And I'm on this walkway. Now, no one plows this walkway. So it's like a nature trail, whatever. And in the summertime, people mostly walk their dogs and stuff in this area. So in the wintertime they don't. Nobody walks down here but me, actually. But if you have been watching my channel and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I am trying to get 1,500 subscribers, and with your help I know I can do it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I do a lot of nature walks. I walk for my wellness and my health. I've been doing it, since 2020-ish is when I really started getting serious about my health. What it's like over here. Ooh, frosty. Yeah, this is like a waterway that the town put. There's a dam. Where's the dam? The dam's like on the other side over there. They put this waterway over here for the trout and stuff to go upstream. The only problem is I haven't seen any trout down here going upstream, and I've been all summer long walking down here. I have to be really careful because it's slippery. Yeah, I've been down here for like a year now, and I haven't seen any trout going up here. So I'm on the bridge here, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's the river right there. Yo, I am sweating. I think I put on, I probably could have made it okay on this walk without my, that's an old truck. I probably would have made it okay on my walk without having my snowsuit, even my hat. Yo, I am sweating. Of course, I was just over there at the falls, but right now I am over here at the watch where I'm going. I'm trying to do the front-facing camera while I'm going down here. The new angle. That's my new angle. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. This way. That's the regional hall or whatever it's called. It's always so nice down here. I don't see any tracks. Oh, scratch that. I see some tracks, but it's probably squirrels. It's always so nice down here. So if you like my videos and you want to see more, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm going for 1,500 subscribers. I'm almost there. And with your help, by subscribing down below to my channel, you can make a girl's dream come true. So, like and subscribe. See you later. This is what it's like down here. Yo, check this out. This is the other side of the river. Sometimes I like to go down there, but check this out. That, what do you call that? Cement block thing? Looks like it's all ice. Like all of it looks like ice. Isn't that crazy? And then we have the dam, and she's all frozen right over. That's all ice. Then you have like sections of it that are flowing water. Look, you can see the water in behind the ice. Oh, that's so cool. See that? You can see the water in behind the ice. That's so cool. It's always super nice down here. I love to come down here, especially in the summertime with all of these trees here. All of these trees make excellent shade, of course. And then you have the breeze coming off the water. Oh man, it's so nice here. Last summer, there was somebody over here that was camping. They had like a tent over here. So I wasn't able to come down here as often as I like. I gotta be careful. All this was super low, and you could basically walk to, there's like an island right there, and you could basically walk to that island. I've been over there before. There's nothing really over there. I thought maybe there'd be like, you know, like bottles and toys and stuff like that washed up, because right up there there used to be a school up there, and we have postcards of, there was a wagon, horse and wagon, and then there were some people standing there, and they were like in like long dresses and top hats and all that. And there was a carriage like right here. And my husband said that there used to be a ferry that used to run from here to over there. And that's in like Enfield area, you know, where the park is that I like to go to sometimes, over there. So that's neat. Dude, there was ferries all over the place in the state of Maine. I don't know about other places, but yeah, there was all kinds of ferries and stuff. So now I'm gonna go for more walks, but I think, I don't know, I'm probably gonna end this vlog. I don't want it to be too long. I usually do about 20-ish minutes for a vlog, for a walking vlog, especially when I don't see any animals, wah, 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 and there's really nothing to see in the wintertime. I mean, I gotta basically stay around the roads, and the only time it's actually pretty is when it's snowing out. I like to go in the woods though. There's a couple of spots in the woods that I like to go to. And if you like these kinds of videos and you keep coming back for more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. I am going for 1,500 subscribers, and I can only do that with your help. So down below is a subscribe button. Subscribe now, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so that way every time I upload a video you'll get the notifications for my future uploads. And in the description down below is a link for my Linktree. Has all my socials on there. Like, share, comment, and go check out my socials. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video out, go binge watch all my other videos, see what I've been up to over last year, see what kind of animals I saw. I did see a lot. So like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure.